Alo ogolo chik atimo mos sigana no wasekalo ka wadhi e sigana machielo gi e thuolo nieri en ni duol mochune ndiko jotich ogolo lipot mar nonro ma jotich e counties mamoko michich godo nokalo chike matayo orodha machulo jotije. Lipodno yango ni atamalo mathoth mag omenda gwenyore e chulo jotije e yo ma ok ler mosemiyo chenro mag dongruok okwamo. Koyudo lipodno, gavana ma Nandi Stephen Sang osingo mar kawo okang' mowinjore kod chik mar dunyore kod mibadhi kendo keto mise motegno mar duoko lai makare migawo mar ndiko jotije e counties no kod chenro mag chudo. Sang owacho ni tend county no ma Nandi koro miyo mijing'o lipodno kendo rango matut fuok manyalo bedo mar neno ni dongruok ok ogwenyore.
These may be the issues that the county government need to consider implementing to address the identified human resource management gaps. The audit was in two parts: human resource processes and payroll management. Under the human resource processes, an audit of the county human resource process covered the following areas: functionality of the county public service board, lack of an authorized structure and staff establishment, poor record keeping, lack of structured communication between different departments and offices.
Nandi County is going to be a case study of how to deal with the human resource challenge in counties. We are committed. In the course of next week, early next week, we will have the county cabinet sitting down to consider and adopt the report. Within next week, we will also forward the same to the county assembly. And I have the commitment of the county assembly that within a week, they will be able to approve the document so that we start the implementation process.